the takeaway for me is that from a BCP and emergency planning perspective, I'll be going to, and maybe paying more attention to our ACT people to see what they have actually done, because, you know, while it isn't totally their problem, by all means, the recovery starts from them, you know, and what they can do. So it's important to see that they have those bases covered. And again, from my own sort of knowledge and just general interest, it is, you know, been very informative. And I think, you know, our corporate leadership team should be sitting possibly at a shorter version of this to make them aware of what the risks of the organization are and the importance of this. And also, all our ICT staff should possibly be doing a more in-depth one where they're totally au fait with some of the terminology used, which, to be quite honest with you, I was hearing for the first time and I didn't know exactly, and probably still don't know what some of it is, but they will know that, and I think it's important that they understand this. Sorry, excuse me, turn this off. Sorry about that. And as regards the trainer, very engaging and kept us all sort of, you know, interested and awake and amused at times. Thank you very much.